Good morning to everyone. My name is Shravani. I'm currently pursuing third year BTech with the specialization of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today I want to tell about asymptotic notation. In asymptotic notation, there are three types of notation: big O notation, omega notation, and theta notation. Why we use this asymptotic notation? To evaluate the performance of algorithm based on the input size. So based on the input size, we can evaluate the performance of an algorithm. We already discussed about big O notation. Now I have to tell about omega notation. Omega notation is represented by omega, and it represents lower boundary of algorithm of in runtime, and it tells best case of time complexity. And it takes minimum amount of time to execute the program. Representation of omega notation is, this is n. N means number of inputs. Here the time complexity represented in y-axis and the input size is represented in x-axis. Here we take f of n, g of n are the non-negative functions. Non-negative means it takes only positive functions. The f of n equals to omega g of n. So f of n always greater than or equal to c into g of n. Here always c takes the positive numbers, so it takes 1. For example, let c equals to 1. Here for example, f of n is equals to 3n plus 2, g of n equals to n. The mathematical representation of omega notation is f of n greater than or equals to c star g of n. C star n. Here c equals to 1. So n, 1 into n. So it is correct. Now the example of omega notation is, for example, we have to print the numbers. So first we have to take user input. From scanner we taken the user input. After that we have to take the main class. It's the input of numbers. Then we have to take the for loop to print all the numbers. Initially take I equals to 0 and we have to represent the size of the numbers and to increment the numbers. So then the output will be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10. So this is the best case for this omega notation. Thank you.